Hi everyone, I'm doing my presentation on Turtle Diary. The website is turtlediary.com. I created an account as a parent. You can create an account as a teacher, a parent, or a homeschooler. So I went ahead and created an account as a parent. On this website, this is such a good website. I think it's one of the best website I've seen, educational website I've seen in a while. Um, on here, you can find games from preschool all the way to fifth grade. There's videos, quizzes, printables, teaching tools, and so much more. Um, as you scroll down, and like I said, it's from K4 all the way to fifth grade. On the dashboard, you have different application. There's class, you can manage your classroom, manage your students. There's your profile, you have setting, calendar, timeline, report. There's so much things here. There's assignments. If we go to assignments, it's moving a little slow. Okay, let's go back. That's not what I want. Okay, if you go down some more, there's here they have fun, educational, and online games for kids. So we can go to more games. Here you can find all these are all math games. Then you go down, you find language art games, you find science games and more fun games. So here, so let's choose a science game. So if you say the human body, and here you can choose different grade level. This is the five senses for kindergarten. This is five senses for pre-K, first grade. Body parts for kindergarten again. So I'm gonna choose a second grade. Let's do the human body. Okay. Here after each it's gonna give you like a little lecture on the human body, and at the end of the lecture, um there's an assessment. There's a test for you to complete to see how well you understand the lesson. So if you click the lesson, here's the lesson. The lesson is 11 minutes long, so we just gonna try to, let me see if we can fast forward it. I guess we can. Like next. So at the end here, oh no, let's go back. So here you can, so here there's an assessment at the end, like a test, a little test to see how well you understood the lesson. And you can, here you can answer the questions, type in the answer, you can check your answer. Here, there's some more questions about the human body. The information stored in the brain is called the memory. So, okay, so this is just one thing that you can do on here. You can watch videos. If we go to videos, let's go to second grade again. This website is a really, really good website to use in the classroom and at home. It's a very, very educational website. Okay, so here we can watch videos on learning fractions. So these videos, listening to the videos is going to make it even easier for the kids to learn fraction because they're going to watch the video and know exactly what to do. It's very kid friendly. It's very easy to use. It's very kid friendly. I think that the students would really enjoy this website as well as the teachers because it's easy for them to navigate through. Over here, let's go back home. And right here, there's let's go to assessment test. So if you choose, okay, I'm gonna choose science. Let's go to science, second grade, continue. So you can take they here they have all the topics that are covered in science in the second grade. These are all the topics that they cover in second grade science, and teachers can use this as an assessment to test and see how well the um to check and see, as it states here, take this second grade science assessment test and measure your progress in various concepts of science today. Parents and teachers can use these tests to check how well your second grader is progressing through the science curriculum. You can use it as an end of the year test for student ending science. The test contains questions on all the second grade science topics. You can also use this test as a placement test for students starting the third grade. This is a really, really good site because it covers everything. I can definitely see myself using this application in my classroom. This is a really, really good application, and I hope you guys take advantage of uh, this website because it's really, really good. I'm definitely gonna use it for my son. I did one of the lessons with him already, and he enjoyed the site, and he wants to continue working on some of the lessons. He did the one on the human body parts, and it was really interesting. So I hope you guys take advantage of this site. Thank you very much.